everyone, welcome back to our Comprehensive Scrum Master Training. Today's session is crucial as we explore exam preparation and certification tips. Whether you are already on a way becoming a certified Scrum Master or already considering it, this session is tailored to equip you with strategies for success. Before we delve into exam specific, let's briefly discuss the value of earning a Scrum Master certification. In the ever-evolving world of Agile, certifications serve as a validation of your skill and knowledge, making you a more sought-after professional. Before we delve into the exam specifics, let's briefly discuss the value of earning a Scrum Master certification. In the ever-evolving world of Agile, certifications serve as a validation of your skills and knowledge, making you a more sought-after professional. Scrum Master certification exams vary based on the certifying body. The two most widely recognized certifications are the Certified Scrum Master (CSM) and Professional Scrum Master (PSM). Let's take a closer look at each. The CSM certification offered by the Scrum Alliance is one of the most popular certifications for the Scrum Masters. It validates your understanding of Scrum principles, practices, and your ability to apply them in real-world situations. On the other hand, the PSM certification developed by Scrum.org focuses on more in-depth understanding of Scrum principles. It offers a tiered certification structure including PSM1, PSM2, and PSM3, each indicating different level of proficiency. When choosing between CSM and PSM, consider your career goal, the depth of Scrum knowledge you seek. When choosing between CSM and PSM, consider your career goals, the depth of Scrum knowledge you seek, and the certifying body reputation. Both certifications are widely recognized, so the choice depends on your personal preferences. Now, let's shift our focus to strategies for exam success. These tips are applicable for various certification exams, not limited to Scrum Master certification. Start by understanding the format of the exam you are taking. Know the number of questions and the time limit, and whether these are mixed question type, such as a multiple choice, true or false, or scenario-based questions. Develop a study plan that aligns with your schedule and the exam date. Break down the topics into manageable sections and allocate specific time slots for studying. Here, consistency is the key. Rely on official study materials provided by certifying body. These materials are designed to align with the exam content and provide the most accurate representation of what you will encounter. Practice makes perfect. Utilize sample questions or practice exam to familiarize yourself with the question format and assess your readiness. This also helps in managing time during the actual exam. Join study groups or online forums where you can engage in discussions with others preparing for the same exam. Explaining concepts to others reinforces your understanding and exposes you to different perspectives. Identifying your weaker areas and allocate more time to studying those topics. Strengthening your understanding in these areas contributes significantly to overall exam readiness. Avoid burnout by taking regular breaks during study sessions. Maintain a balance between study relaxation and the other aspects of your life contribution to more effective learning process. Now let's delve into strategies tailored specifically for Scrum Master certification. Scrum Master exam often focus on role, artifacts, and events in the Scrum framework. Ensures you a solid understanding of responsibilities of each role, the purpose of artifacts, and the flow of events. Scrum is founded on value and principles outlined in the Agile Manifesto. Familiarize yourself with these as questions related to them are common in the Scrum Master certification exam. While studying, visualize how Scrum practices are applied in real-world scenarios. This practice understanding enhances your ability to answer scenario-based questions. The Agile Manifesto and the Scrum Guide are foundational. Regularly review these documents to reinforce your understanding of Agile values and the specifics of the Scrum framework. Closer to the exam, simulate actual exam conditions, set the timer, create a quiet environment, and go through a practice exam to familiarize yourself with the pressure of the exam setting. After completing a study session or practice exam, take time to review your performance, reflect on the questions you found challenging, and revisit those topics for additional study. As the exam day approaches, here are some specific tips for success on the day of the exam. Ensure you get a good night's sleep before the exam. A rested mind is more alert and better able to recall information. On the day of the exam, arrive early at the test center or log in well in advance for an online exam. Ensure you have all necessary identification and material. During the exam, stay calm and focused. If you encounter a challenging question, take a deep breath, move on the next question, and revisit it later if needed. Time management is crucial. Allocate time to each question but avoid spending too much time on single question. Mark challenging question for review if the exam platform allow it. After completing the exam, take a moment to acknowledge your accomplishment. Regardless of the outcome, the effort you put into the preparation is commendable. Before we conclude, let's open the floor for any question you may have about preparing for Scrum Master Certification exam. Your concerns are important and I am here to provide you guidance. As we wrap up today's session, remember that your Scrum Master Certification is not just a validation of your knowledge, it's a testament to your commitment to excellence in agile practices. Best of luck on your certification journey.